must pass. Jah Keeper, Lord God, Jah Keeper there. The road is rocky but we still a trod. Keep your lamp trimmed and burning, oh now. The system set a trap for the poor man's feet. Blood a run like water in the middle of the street. Inflation a rise and the wages stay low. Tell me how the little children supposed to grow. Politician a promise but them never deliver, while the youth them a cold and the elders a shiver. Inna this ya Babylon, it's a dog eat dog race, but Jah Keeper see the sorrow upon every man face. Inna this time of tribulation, we seek a higher meditation. Through the fire and the tribulation, Jah is the strength of the nation. Hold on steady, don't let go. Them have the guns and the bombs and the technology, but them lack the love and the simple humility. The earth a grown under the weight of the greed, but a righteous works is what the people need. So if the mountain high, you better start to climb. No time for the hatred, no time for the crime. The dry bones are rattling in the valley of death, but we praise Selassie I with every single breath. In this time of tribulation, we seek a higher meditation. Through the fire and the tribulation, Jah is the strength of the nation. It's a testing of the faith. Gold must pass through the fire to be pure. But don't complain, just maintain. Stand firm in your heart. Jah, he never leave a child alone. From the dungeons of the past to the struggles of today, the black man still a stand, we no go away. Them try to wash the brain, try to hide the history, but the spirit of the lion is the greatest mystery. So keep your head up high, Zion's son and daughter. The truth is flowing like a cool living water. Even when the clouds dark and the wind start to blow, Jah Keeper tell you let the inner light show. Tribulation, but we shall overcome. Jah Keeper in the building, sound the trumpet in a Zion, Mount Zion high.